All right, so the contents of the two boxes, it's pretty simple if you know what all entails in like the factory ZL1 system. This is a direct replacement, so here's some of the connections to like the lid and the sensors. It's an install kit. It does come with a handheld tuner if you have a stock car. My car is obviously not stock. I have way bigger injectors, so not going to be using that. It comes with these brackets and fittings, these hoses, and also pretty sweet this valley cover. So that's pretty cool. And then the big boy right here. So I had to remove all of that padding. It was all in one piece, so it was a little tough to kind of shimmy out of there. The one section that wasn't really covered up too well was this backside, but for the most part it's pretty simple. I thought there was going to be two pulleys in the kit, but I don't know what size this is, the 3.0 or the 325, but this is the blower. It's got a guy named Vincente passing it for the intercooler system pressure test, I believe. Yeah, it looks, it says PSI at start 16, PSI at end 16. So I guess they test these for just to make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. The cool thing is it does come with a fuel rail. You can see that side right there and then that side. So it does replace the factory LSA fuel rail, and I assume that may be how you're able to use the stock injectors, because this rail is basically allowing more fuel to come in with the handheld unit that it has in here. That I'm not sure if I could even attempt to use this because I have HP tuners already, so I don't think you're able to unlock that to even pay more to kind of get tunes sent to you, loaded into the car itself. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet unit. You could just kind of see the lid itself is substantially bigger, and then it's not so closed off on the backside, because they always say the back cylinders are the ones that don't get the same amount of airflow, especially with the ZL1 lid. Even though the ZL1 lid has, I think, a more durable brick, but I'm just going based off what I see on forums and Facebook discussion groups. So yeah, that's pretty much it. When I get it out of the box into the shop, I'll try to get a side-by-side of everything, of the original and then this unit sitting right next to it, so we can get a good comparison. But like I said, I just want to kind of keep these short and sweet. I do believe if you weren't in on this initial order, it's going to be a while before Magnuson sends anything out. So hit me up if you have any questions. I'll put my Instagram on there, and you can ask questions. I've got some videos. I don't have a lot. I usually just keep to myself, but y'all have a good day.